What you got, Brandon? What is it? A tree fell? Okay, go put it in the pile.